Welcome back to the morning show. It's Wise Guy Wednesday, always guaranteed to be a fun time. With us today, Matt Sellen is in.
It's a birthday today.
Party guy Matt
put in a couple
today.
of special requests.
Today is my birthday, and I said, Matt, when you come next week, we need two things. We need something that explodes, and we need something to do with liquid nitrogen.
Yes, and something that's yummy. So we have a three-fer today. Okay, so we're going to make ice cream, and you're actually going to do this because it's your birthday.
Okay, we've done this before, and this stuff is fantastic.
Right. Okay, so you help me pour that stuff in. So we need a bunch of half and half and heavy cream. This is health food right here. Okay, so we dump a bunch of this in.
You have permission to be not healthy on your birthday,
That's
right?
correct. And then we want to put in some sugar because what's fat without sugar? All right, so we're going to have 3 spoons of this stuff here. And then you're going to stir. Oh, we got to put vanilla in too.
How much vanilla do we need?
Oh, about a tablespoon or two. About one of those full.
This is brand new.
Oh, son of a gun. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah, a bit more, just for good measure. Okay, there we go.
Now you don't do that. I was going to say you don't do that in the lab.
He's a scientist.
You start stirring.
Then the good part is in here, right?
Right. So what we have in here now, of course, this is this warm, creamy, sugary, fatty stuff, which in
itself is very.
Which actually probably would taste real good, but we're going to make it cold so it turns into ice cream. So we have here this liquid nitrogen, which is liquefied air, basically. It's about 300 degrees.
Now, did you just freeze your beard when you did that?
Why, yes, I did. Anyways, so this stuff is about 300 degrees below zero, which means that anything it comes into contact with freezes really.
Right. It's too bad you can't keep this around the house, because if you had company drop in, this would be a perfect.
Well, actually, I do keep it around the house, and when company does drop around, you can get rid of them real quick. Right. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in, and you're going to stir. And now you got to keep stirring. If you stir it incorrectly, it will explode. I'm just kidding.
We don't want that to happen.
No, we don't want that to happen. So you can't really see what's going on, but you probably feel it thickening up a little bit.
It's getting thick.
Take a listen to that.
Yeah, it sounds real good.
I think it's done.
Oh, it's not quite done. We need more. You can never have enough liquid nitrogen. Did you know that?
I have found that to be true.
Right, okay. So now the key thing is once it gets really tough, you have to start using a spoon. Oh, it's not quite done yet. Okay, you keep stirring with a spoon. Okay, there we go. Oh, now that looks really good.
Yeah.
Now you're going to get this stuff on your suit. You know that?
Oh, I am?
Yeah. So now you're going to try this real quick, and then we can have a lot more later. But then we have to do the dishes, and that's going to be the fun part.
Matt can clean up since it's my birthday.
Oh, we're going to clean up here in a second. Now you see, we turn that stuff into.
I'll help clean this up.
pretty hard stuff. So here's.
And it's really good. It's the coldest ice cream you'll ever taste.
Oh yeah. And it's very sweet and creamy, and it tastes like it's not good for you, which makes it even better.
Well, that's even better. Thank you.
Okay. Now we got to do the dishes. We're going to give this to people later. So I did bring some dishwater here. So what I have here is just some hot water, with a bit of soap in it, and we're going to pour the liquid nitrogen in there, because when you have liquid nitrogen, what do? You pour it into stuff.
That's what it was designed for.
Now, of course, I'm a highly trained scientist, so you should never try this at home, but I'm going to let you try it here.
Okay.
Because it is your birthday.
Let Matt try it?
Whoever wants to dump some of that in there would be just fine.
Guys shouldn't have to do dishes.
All right, well, that's true. All right, so slowly.
I'll just pour a bunch in there. That's good.
And here it comes.
Okay,
whoa.
guys. Now, like I said, I got to leave now, so you guys can clean up, right?
Okay. We'll take care of this.
Look at that's pretty good. So what happened here was there was bubbles in there, and then this stuff sort of boils, and you get the nice bubbles coming out.
Matt, thanks for bringing it in and doing my 2 favorite things on the morning show. Frozen bubbles.
Frozen bubbles. Those are cool.
Yeah. Let's go to our sky cam this morning, see what's going on. Not cold by any means today. It's going to be very warm with highs in the low